Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on Eavesdropper, an intriguing and deceptive team-based word game. If you enjoy listening, guessing and clever communication, this game is just right for you. Let's take a look at how it works. The goal of the game is simple. There are teams of 2 players. One team, the speaking team, tries to send hidden messages. These messages contain certain words that are chosen from playing cards. Meanwhile, the other teams are listening and trying to figure out what these words are. They are listening in. They are eavesdropping. The speaking team has 2 turns. In each one player says a message that includes one word from a given playing card. So here, the message must contain either the word nature or the word consequence. The eavesdropping teams try to guess these words. The more you guess correctly, the better your score. That's it. Now let's set up the game. To play Eavesdropper, you need teams of 2 players each, the playing cards for your version. We are playing the version Nature and Environment, and you need 1 pen and a sheet of paper for each player. Once everyone has their materials, you're ready to start. Here's how it works. One team starts as the speaking team. All other teams are eavesdropping. Player 1 draws a card from one of the stacks and picks one of the 2 words. Then they create a message in no more than 2 sentences. And that message must include the chosen word. While player 1 is speaking, all other players write down which word they think is hidden in the message. Then player 2 draws a card from the other stack and continues the message. It can be a reply or a continuation, but again, the chosen word must be in the message. The message can be anything: a story, a question, a personal comment. Just keep it short. And the other teams are listening in again, trying to find the hidden word. Afterwards, the cards are revealed. The listening teams score 1 point for each correct guess. If nobody has guessed correctly, the speaking team scores 3 points for each word. The game ends once each team has had 2 turns as the speaking team. Then get ready to score. To do so, simply add up all the points of each team. The team with the most points wins the game. And that's it. Now you know how to play Eavesdropper. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!